Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, I'm going to be talking about ForEx and why crypto is a bigger idea than Forex. I know it's going to be Thanksgiving coming up. You're going to be around family. Make sure you share with them this post. People keep talking about Forex, but first, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube. Darnell Jackson Crypto. Shout out to all the subscribers. All right, now listen. This comes from a recent conversation I just had, and I gotta document this because it's such an important idea. I started off, look, before I show you the quotes, let me show you my tweet. I started off just sharing this idea about why crypto trading will kill Forex trading. Anytime you can do more, you don't need the other individual pieces. In other words, when you got the cell phone that allows you to do multiple different things, you don't have all the individual things anymore. You don't have the fax machine anymore because you can do scanning and emailing. You don't have all of those individual little devices because they're all just an app inside your phone. So the same thing is happening, and I'm predicting will happen with Forex trading. Forex is a smaller idea than crypto. And because of the functionality that's inherent to crypto, you can do all the same functionality of Forex on crypto trading platforms. All right, people just haven't got onto it yet. The 3 points I made was all currencies want Bitcoin. Watch the videos. Watch my video about Michael Saylor. Go back and look at my video about why Michael Saylor talks crazy, so you can understand the demand and why Bitcoin, is eating all the currencies. All right. Number 2 is it's so easy to buy crypto. You can sell your fiat and get whatever crypto you want, and then you can exchange that crypto into another fiat, and you can do it back and forth so easily, and it's just built into these exchanges. And then you can transfer using crypto from one exchange to the other, all right, without involving banks. It's super easy. That's the last point that I made. So let me just show you real quick what I'm talking about. There is a tremendous amount of value, obviously, in the currencies, and it will keep growing because these central bankers keep creating more currency because the governments keep borrowing more money as the U.S. debt ceiling conversation continues, right? So here are the top currencies that you can trade on my favorite crypto exchanges: the Great Britain pound sterling, the euro, the Swiss franc, and these are the 3 currencies that are more valuable than the US dollar. See, the whole point of Forex trading is to trade in and out of the US dollar or use some pairs. Most Forex investors use US dollars and they trade in and out of some other currency. So they trade back and forth with euros, or they trade back and forth with Swiss francs, or whatever. So that is the example I'm sharing with you here today. So those are the 3 currencies that are more valuable than the US dollar. And then you got these 3 currencies that are less valuable than the US dollar. That's the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and the Canadian dollar. So I should put the Canadian dollar here, because it's a little bit more valuable than the Australian dollar. And then the Japanese yen is the least valuable of all, with 111 yen to 1 US dollar. So this is the reason why people trade Forex, because there is arbitrage opportunities between the values of all these currencies. The exchange rate between the US dollar and the pound sterling might change and create an opportunity for you to trade in and out of the pound sterling in order to maybe buy a bunch of yen. These are guys that trade Forex. All I want to do is show you that you can do that same functionality on a crypto exchange. So let me jump over to one of my favorite exchanges to do this, which is FTX. This is FTX US. Shout out to Sam. And right away, you'll be able to see the markets. And so you can see here right at the top, it has the Australian dollar, right? You can see it here. It'll give prices if I select the Australian dollar. I'm just going to highlight that right there. So it'll show me all of the cryptocurrencies that are denominated in the Australian dollar. Let's see here. Or the euro. And so if I start off with euros, right, then I can even trade right here direct to US dollars. So I have some cash in my account. So right away I can trade to euros right through this cryptocurrency exchange. I can place a buy sell order right now if I see some opportunity to gain. I can also trade Great Britain pounds to US dollars, Australian to US dollars. All right. But what I want to show you, let me take all of that off. I want to show you that I can purchase ETH and I can sell it in foreign exchanges. So let me find it here. It's down here. So if I wanted to, I could buy, I have Ethereum right now. I could go ahead and buy some euros or buy some ETH denominated in euros. And then I could turn around and sell the ETH and get another currency. So right now you can see the price denominated in euros is 27.78, which is much lower than the over $3,000 price in US dollars. Post in the comments if you're following me. I don't want to confuse you. This would be easily understood by the people that have some ForEx experience. The point is you can start off with Ethereum and you can trade between your currency pairs. And you can do all of this on your cryptocurrency exchange. So I have a little bit of ETH. I can go ahead and buy Australian denominated Ethereum. And if I want, I can sell and keep the Australian dollars. Or I can go from ETH and sell to another currency. Say, for example, maybe a euro. And right now, as I'm scrolling, I'm not finding it instantly. Let me just say, I just searched euro. So here it is. Here's the euro ETH, right? So I could go ahead and place an order. I could buy, because I have ETH, so I can buy euros with this ETH. And then I can go ahead and hold the euros for whatever time I want to have the Ethereum, and then I can sell it back. So I can do the same functionality. And this is something that you can't do on the ForEx exchanges. I'm trying to bring this conversation to the forefront. Let me show you another exchange. I'm going to jump over to my other exchange where you can buy and sell. And that is Kraken. All right. So on Kraken, the Kraken is being released. On Kraken, I'm just going to go to trade. Okay, hold on. I'm going to go back to quotes. And it shows me right away the different fiat currencies. I can deal with the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, the euro, the Great Britain pound, the Japanese yen, and the US dollar. And these are the top cryptos that I can trade into, but I can also trade into much more. But the top ones is Bitcoin, DAI, the stable coin, Polkadot, ETH, USDC and USDT. These are the two stable coins, including DAI. And that will allow me to move funds to other crypto wallets. Post in the comments, I don't want to confuse you. So what does this allow me to do? This allows me to come in here and buy using one currency. So I can start off with Ethereum, or I can start off with euros. I can come into this exchange with euros, and then I can buy Ethereum, because I may be planning on buying another currency. So I could come into the exchange with euros, buy Ethereum. Then, now that I have Ethereum, I could go over and sell the Ethereum for USDC, which is 1-to-1 with the US dollar, and allows me to have internet money denominated in US at the same rate as the US dollar. And so if I wanted to, I could go right back over to Ethereum and buy more euros. You see the functionality that you can do with crypto? Post in the comments if this is making sense to you. All right. This is something that you can do that you've never been able to do. And once people figure this out, the traditional Forex trading is toast. You don't need to trade every single fiat currency. And when people start realizing that fiat currencies are like gasoline engines, that's really the best example. Fiat is really analog technology, right? When you start talking about, hold on a second. When you start talking about analog technology, that's fiat. This is analog. This is not the future. And so what do you do to prepare yourself for the future? You have to start thinking big. And I'm here to tell you that cryptocurrency is a much bigger idea than Forex. Post in the comments your opinion. I want to thank you at this time for watching this video and liking it. If you didn't like it, make sure you check out all my other crypto reports, daily crypto videos. I'm sure you will find a video you like. Just keep watching them until you do. If you watch like 25, post in the comments you watch 25 videos, and just share every one you watched with somebody who will like it. Until next time, one.